Alright guys, time for a new video. You know, whenever I upload something, it's valuable and very interesting. So today we're going to be talking about a very interesting phenomenon that occurs in the market using one specific indicator. Okay, so I hope you enjoy it and let's go. Before we start, I just wanted to say thank you guys for your loyalty and remember to never give up. Trading is a journey, just enjoy it and remain consistent. Everything is possible. I hope my videos inspire you, motivate you, and help you get closer to your goals. First of all, I want to talk about how you can make a living just by taking 10 to 20 pips every day consistently. The only thing you gotta do is just choose a system that fits into your lifestyle, into your personality, and just stick to that. Your only homework is going to be to take a trade a day and make 10 to 20 pips consistently, and you're going to become very profitable on the long term. Whenever I show you these accounts, okay, it's to motivate you and inspire you and to show you what is possible. Okay, so as you can see, guys, just take a look at this. Look at this. What do you see? It's 10 pips in every time. Okay, so and as you can see, look at the profits. Just imagine making this amount of profits every time. Okay, guys, so you don't have to be taking these huge trades every single day. Okay, because first of all, the market is not going to move every single day that amount of pips. Okay, so what you can do is just taking these chunks every single day. That's very possible, and you're going to become more consistent and your win rate is going to be way much better. Okay, take a look at this other account. The bust is 50 and it reached $1.5 million. Okay, look at the profitability. Okay, almost a 90% profitability. And take a look at the trades. They are all 25 pips, around 10 to 20 pips. Okay, and look at the profits. Okay, so have your focus in the pips and take a look at the profits. Okay, so as long as you are consistent and you take 10 to 20 pips every single day, you're going to be able to find consistency and you're going to see a huge improvement in your trading account. Okay, guys? Like, honestly, trading is the best job in the world because you just have to be in the charts 1 to 2 hours, take your trade, and that's it. You make a living out of that. Okay? For example, like, I want to inspire you guys. I want to make you see what is possible. Look at the profits. Imagine making 25 pips and making $6,000. Okay, so this is what is possible and what is realistic. Okay, guys, so I've been trading for 15 years in the market and I've seen many hedge funds and large institutions that they just take tiny chunks of the market in and out. Okay, and they represent hundreds of millions of dollars. Okay, so you can take a piece of the pie too. Okay, now let's jump to the system that I want to talk about. Maybe you've heard about it, but it's about the RSI. Okay, this is one of my favorite indicators, and there is nothing wrong in using indicators because they are tools. Okay, as you know, there's a lot of professions in the world. Okay, chefs, they do use tools. Architects, they use tools. Even sailors use tools. So why wouldn't a trader use tools? Okay, there's nothing wrong about implementing certain indicators into your trading. I want to talk about the RSI, but specifically when divergence occurs. Okay, so divergence will help you detect early reversals before they happen, obviously. Okay, so we're gonna see some examples and how you can take advantage of this. Okay, so when you add the RSI indicator into your chart, you're gonna see that it's gonna be opposite to the price. For example, this is a little quick diagram. In a little second, we're going to see the real life chart examples. Okay, so this would be to detect a bullish trend. Okay, so for example, whenever price is making a new low, you're going to detect and you're going to see that the RSI is making a higher low. Okay, so this means that price is ready to go up. Okay, so this would be for a bullish early detection. Okay, and as you can see here, we have a real life chart example. And okay, so as you can see, price was making new and lower lows, but in the RSI, as you can see, it was making bullish divergence. Okay, it was making a new and higher highs. Okay, so this way you know that you can detect and you can catch a move before it happens. Okay, so in a little bit we're gonna see how we can actually take advantage of this. Okay, and same thing for a bearish detection. Okay, price is gonna be making a new high, or it's basically kind of like a double top or a manipulation of the previous high, but the RSI, it's going to be already starting to trend down, and it's going to be making new and lower highs. Okay, so as you can see, this is a real life chart example. Price was trending up. Okay, it was making a new high. Okay, so it took the previous high liquidity. Okay, and it started to drop, and as you can see, the RSI detected this way before it happened. Okay, it was making lower lows. So one thing you want to avoid is whenever price is trending very, very hard and very obvious. Okay, whenever price is trending, just follow the momentum and ignore the divergences that may appear in the RSI. Okay, with that being said, let's go to the charts and let's see some examples. Okay, so this is example number one. This is Nasdaq 15-minute charts. You might be wondering which is the best time frame to apply this concept, but in reality, you're going to see it happening in every time frame. Now, I feel more comfortable detecting this in a little higher time frames. I would say 15-minute chart and above. Otherwise, you're going to be getting a bit of a mixed signals. Okay, so let's see this example, how we could have taken advantage of this. This is Nasdaq 15-minute chart. We are in the New York session. Okay, so as you can see, price is starting to make a new low, but as you can see, the RSI, okay, you can put default settings. I don't change anything in the RSI. Okay, guys, so as you can see, price is making new lows, but the RSI is giving you this hint that is starting to become bullish. Okay, it's making new highs. So let's forward a little bit, and as you can see, we have a pretty nice bullish engulfing candle, and now we can proceed to take a buying position. Okay, so everything is in place. Bullish engulfing candle made a lower low, but the RSI is telling us that price wants to go up. Now it made a higher high. Okay, and we can take a pending buy position right at this candle right here, order block. Okay, and we can target a 1 and 2. Let's see how it goes. Okay, it gets filled. As you can see, the RSI, it's trending up, and by this point you can place your stop loss at break even, and at this point your target would be reached. Okay, 1 or 2. Let's see another example. By the way, guys, if you have problems with finding consistency and you want to have someone to coach you and help you personally, you can check the link below in the description. This is the website. You can contact me on Telegram or on my Instagram. This is hands down the best education you can get. Personalized training by me, 15 years experience in the market. This is my website. I have very, very effective trading strategies and proven strategies over the years. All right, now let's take a look to a bearish example. Okay, so we are in New York session, same chart, Nasdaq 15-minute chart. Okay, now it's creating a high. Look to the left, we have a previous high. Okay, you can be alert to see if it's gonna make a liquidity grab off the previous high. Okay, so the first clue now that we can see is that the RSI started to make a lower low. Okay, let me show you with a little trend line. Okay, so now it's starting to trend down, but price is still pumping up. Okay, so you want to be cautious, and as long as you have a good selling confirmation, then we can proceed and take a sell. Okay, so now as you can see, this is the 15-minute chart, and we have a bearish engulfing candle, and it's starting to trend down. Okay, RSI divergence, price was trending up, but the RSI is pointing downwards. So we can take a sell position, and we can target a 1 or 2 risk reward. Okay, let's continue. And as you can see, guys, immediately it reached our take profit. Okay, another successful and profitable trade. Okay, so in this example, I think it was NFP. So you want to be very, very cautious because it's going to get pretty wild, but you can also catch some reversals. Also, this wick counts as a new low. Okay, guys, and also price is kind of trending down, but as you can see, the RSI is pretty flat. Okay, so I want to show you in this example right here that there's going to be occasions in which you're going to have kind of like a double bottom in the RSI. Okay, so that will also count as a divergence. I prefer seeing like a trend actually going up and not like a double bottom, because they're not going to be that strong, but it can also work. Okay, so this is another example. We can take a long position right here, and you can target a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio, and let's see how it goes. Okay, well, obviously there was a lot of volume because we are in the New York session and it was the NFP day. So usually there's going to be a lot of movement in the market. So just take a look, okay, how price was making a new low, but the RSI was making these equal lows. Okay, so it didn't actually made a lower low following the price. Okay, so that was an indication that price was starting to gain some strength. Okay, so the key thing is that you can find some sort of a price action in here inside the members area. I do have a lot of concepts, very effective systems that you can apply to target the perfect entries. Okay, guys, so let's see another example. All right, so we are at New York session. As you can see, price is starting to make lower lows, but the RSI is starting to trend up. Okay, so that's an early indication that price wants to go up. Also, if you look to the left, we have this liquidity, okay, this area of liquidity, which was the pre-market low. So now let's take our entry. Your stop loss can be below this candle low, and we can target at least a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio. Let's proceed and see how it goes. Okay, it came back to this level, which is kind of like a QM. Let's see how it goes, and it's approaching our target reach. Okay, as you can see, it will give you way more than that. Okay, most of the examples that I showed you guys, it went for way more than that. Okay, so RSI is a very, very useful tool that you can apply. Don't just depend on the RSI divergence, but it's just an extra confirmation. Okay, so I hope you like this video, guys. Don't forget to like this video and leave me a comment. Okay, thank you for watching and see you on the next video. See you later.